got the Tranquility Bay Resort. Freaking amazing. 2-story, 2 bedrooms. 128 is this unit. So it's basically a full-on condo. Bedrooms upstairs. Looks like a full kitchen. Full-size fridge, which is good. Coffee maker, important. Stove, oven. Table for 4. And then we have waterside view right next to the family pool. You can see the ocean, and then upstairs also has balconies. Take a peek. This is on the Gulf side. It's a good sunset. Lots of light. Patio chairs on the bottom and top. Check out upstairs. Bathroom down here. So, normal toilet, it's pedal steel sink. It's got that early 2000s vibe. Fire extinguisher. Second floor balcony. Yep, sunset between the trees. Say hi to neighbors. Big size porch. Not too bad. Light. Yeah, it's nice. Light. So, king size. Looks like a king size bed. Here they just have tubs. What's up? What do you want?
We got charges up here. We're good. 2 extra containers. It's good.
Kids room, and then back out to the front. Washer dryers.
It's a double room.
Ah, sweet. Jealous.
Yeah, it is. That was fun.
Yeah, bud.
Good. It's like my favorite move.
What's the volleyball, Cody?
Huh?
The volleyball? So far. Fishing over there?
Yeah.
Are they fishing?
Yeah, that was
check that out. Okay.
Like that weird green button.
Somebody bought their own paddleboard.
Yep. Mind the castle, guys.
What?
Mind the castle.
Oh my god, that reminds me.
Yeah, this is an adult pool.
Oh, okay.
There's this one guy that popped up.
Lightning.
Right? I don't know why, but it sounds good at the start. But then he like goes yapping around on like how you have to stand there. That's like you have to destroy sandcastles.
They're playing back.
Don't play in the muck.
Smile. Say hungry.
Hunting. We talked about how like you have to destroy your sandcastles because they're getting in the way of the turtles.
And it's all dead.
Yeah, they are.
But the turtles are not what? We're like, we talked about how like having the turtles. I've always been the turtles are dead. But yes, they are. Like, you know, babies,
You put a sandcastle in front of the turtle.
On the water.
won't make it. You can't cut over.
Oh, you can rent this whole thing? That's kind of cool.
I saw that road. All those mountains.
You can jump right in there.
Mangoes on
Ask me. Cottage. Yeah, there's like, alright, when you sit in your chair,
We'll go back by the jet skis again. Yeah, do it tonight. You have to take a test. Temporary license to drive this thing. On the side, on the edge.
What's on the edge?
Good fish?
There's good fish here, right?
Probably. Maybe when they close, we do it. So the guy's gone. Hold that there. Drink some, drink some.
I need to sit.
Good. Oh look, a bunch here. Pirate fish.
Dips on this chair.
They're on the wall here. See them? Really, they're eating the sides. Here they are. There's like 3 of them I saw.
Baby
There's like 3 that. Yeah, they're down there. Bunch of parrotfish, good size.
yeah, baby parrot.
Can you eat
Cannot eat parrot.
Eat anything.
Hey, give me your parrot.
So hoping to see some tarpon on this end. We're at the Tranquility Beach Resort. Down that way is a huge harbor. Fishing vessels that come in and clean their fish. So there's a ton of tarpon on that end. Just swimming around, of course. When they clean the catch of the day. But I mean, hopefully they're straight out. I don't think I'll catch anything here for tarpon wise, but Cuda, still got the Cuda tube. Still some hopes for that. But we're thinking about renting a vessel, jet skis potentially. It's got to take a Florida temporary license test. That's something new.
Can we get a difficult? Yes, you can get a free shovel after you get it. Perfect.
There's a good school of these tropical parrotfish underneath the floating docks and along the edge of this wall. I don't see any signs, but it looks like you can't fish here. But when they close for the day, come back out here. Small hooks and some shrimp. I'm sure they'll bite it. Yep, there's some right there. Show. Surprised they don't put umbrellas out here.
Sunset locale.
Yeah, good one later.
Here, Arabella. Maybe you're done tonight. High angle, low angle, middle angle.
Winter, not a bad idea. Thermostat, drop that down some.